You shouldn't have to jump between apps and spreadsheets to get your work done. With Wiise, you can get the information where and when you need it by working seamlessly within Microsoft 365. Our Outlook integration makes responding to customers and suppliers fast and easy. By clicking on a customer's or supplier's email, you can see their entire history, including invoices, quotes, and upcoming or overdue payments right within Outlook. Received a new order? Quickly generate a new quote while you're in Outlook. Select inventory that Wiise intelligently suggests based on a customer's email, with all your customer's details pre-filled in the quote. Need to change an order? Click on the sales order number in a customer's email, update, cancel, and respond to their request without leaving Outlook. Want to add an invoice to the next pay run? Keep all your documents organized and in one place by quickly adding it to Wiise. Actions taken in Outlook are synchronized with Wiise in real time, so your whole team has the latest information at all times. With our Teams integration, it's easy to share and collaborate with your colleagues. From Wiise, you can quickly share information on orders, inventory, or tasks. Keep track of progress and continue the conversation exactly where you left off by moving directly to the chat in Teams. Wiise connect with Teams in real time, so you and your colleagues can view and act on the information you've shared right within Teams. Save time digging into menus and get the information you need faster by setting up quick access sections of Wiise in Teams conversations. With our Excel integration, updating and sharing data is fast. There's no need to upload files or enter data line by line. You can import new product items, reconcile figures, or update contacts in Wiise directly from a spreadsheet. Better yet, refresh your Excel spreadsheet and see the full picture with the entire dataset synchronized with Wiise in real time. With our Power BI integration, uncovering powerful insights is easy. Slice and dice data however you see fit, then embed real-time insights within Wiise. Quickly switch to Power BI and select from dozens of pre-built dashboards that you get out of the box with Wiise. Turn insights into impact by sharing reports where you need them, whether that's in Wiise, Outlook, Teams, or Excel. Get your work done faster where and when you need it. Upgrade to a powerful, scalable platform with Wiise and Microsoft 365. For more information on Wiise, visit our website or speak to us to learn more.